Okay, class, it's just a little video to show you how to use the Google Docs tools to do your diagrams, help with your planning. And just whilst I'm here, if you look across here, I've actually given you access to 2 journals from the US free, just if you're interested in looking up some professional literature. Anyway, click on the Google Docs tools here. All of these you use. One will be your task progression, your first create. Next one will be your lesson plan that you'll use to frame up your lessons for your peers and in the school. And then this new one I've just made for you down here, which is the one that helps you create the diagrams. So long as you're logged into your Google account, you'll be able to see this. And then when you click on use this template, it will download straight into your account and be only yours, so that no one else can edit it other than the people that you decide you want to share it with. And so at the top here, see share allows you, when you create something, decide who you want to share it with and who can edit it. So in your groups you can actually share with each other, and you can change who has access and what they can do. Right? So once you've got something worth sharing, what you need to do is basically work with your groups. So here's your diagrams I showed you before. Here's your badminton court. You can move around, and I've rotated it here. Just press the button here, allows you to rotate. Pretty cool. And then all these figures here, you can move around, and you can even change the direction of them. And you can also change the size of them, like so. So they become very flexible. And if you want to copy them, always go up to the top of the screen on a Mac and go copy. And then top of the screen, go paste. Now, if you're on a PC, instead what you need to do with the PC is when you click on here and you try to copy it, it won't let you, but it'll give you these instructions. So basically you're going to go #C, so Command C to copy, and then you go Command V to paste. So that will work on the PC Windows or on the Mac. Now as you work down each of the options here, the key thing for you is to draw the gym. This is like an elementary school gym, probably using this that you can copy. And for instance, I've done one here for the McKinnon gym when we work in the 2/3. You can see the 4 badminton courts. Now what's nice, once you draw your gym, so if I take any of this, I can copy it on my Mac, top here, and then my blank screen here, I can just paste it in from the top, remember, not from the bottom there. It'll ask you to, there, paste, and you see it appear. I can move it around, I can then paste it again, and I can adjust it to the size. And if I want to copy both of those, do that, go copy and paste, and now I've got my 4 badminton court gym, like that. And I can roughly estimate the distance these should be apart. Another nice feature is I can pick them up, and if I right click, it'll actually allow me to align them vertically at the top like that, and it does it for you. That's very cool. Now, once you've got your gym drawn, for instance, like the one I've got here, what I can do is go into File, and I say download this gym. What I want to do is make it either JPEG or a PNG, and when I download it, it will save it onto my computer, and it can now be used as a background. So now what I do is I create a new slide, like so. So then when I want to insert it, what I can do is actually make it the new background. So if I click on background, like this, change background. So now what I do is I can choose an image, like this. So I can go to my download, drop it into my background, and what happens now, this becomes the new background. And what's nice about the new background is it won't move, right? Unlike the one before, which I created, it does move around, so it can be a little bit annoying. So at the top here, I can take any one of my figures. I can take several of them, in fact, if I want to. Once, like that. I go copy, and then I go to where I've made it into the background. Here, I go to the top, I go paste. Then they appear on top of my background like so, and you can move them around like so.